ZKSync Smart Sign On is a developer toolkit for applications to easily create and use smart accounts with custom functionality like configurable on-chain sessions. To better understand SSO, we'll go through some of its features and how it works. SSO makes it easy for Web3 apps to have better UX with out-of-the-box features, like Passkey-based authentication based on the WebAuth API and the FIDO2 standards, configurable sessions so you cannot have to approve every transaction in a secure way, no installation required as SSO is embedded into the front end, no need to store a seed phrase or private key or even know what those are, modular smart accounts that work across different apps, and multiple options for recovering accounts if access to a passkey is lost, including using a Google account or Guardian wallet. There are two main components that make up SSO, the Auth server and the SSO Smart Account contracts. The Auth server is a static web page that enables using a passkey across multiple apps. The Passkey standard requires that each passkey must be associated with one domain. By registering and authorizing transactions through the Auth server, SSO accounts can work with any application that shares the same one. When a passkey is created, the private key is stored securely on the user's device and never leaves the device. The public key is shared with the SSO Auth server and Smart Account contracts. Passkey signatures are verified completely on-chain. When a user configures a session, they can decide the amount of time a session exists, the total spending and gas fee limit, which smart contracts to interact with, and down to the specific functions that can be called and arguments that can be passed. Users have full visibility into their sessions and can review and revoke a session at any time, even before it expires or session conditions are met. With passkeys and sessions, SSO offers a secure and easy way to authenticate users and authorize multiple transactions in one click. Here is a basic WAGMI config that is set up to be connected to ZKSync Sepolia and use the default injected connector. To use Smart Sign-On with WAGMI, it's as easy as installing the ZKSync SSO package and switching out this connector for a ZKSync SSO connector. What does that connector look like? Here you can see a session that has a configured fee limit for transactions and has limited transfers to just be able to send to one receiver with a limit of 0.1 ETH.